Kuya, I miss you na! Ibalik mo na ako dito sa bahay mo. Pagod na ako sa outside world. Kuya? Kuya? Pakibalik na po ako sa bahay niyo. Pagod na po ako sa outside world. Please. Ibalik niyo na ako. Please lang.
Where are you
Pagod na ako.
heading?
Ha?
Where are you heading? Where are you going to stay?
Dito na. Oh! You look.
No. I just closed it.
Di ba? Bek?
I don't know how. I just closed it.
Oh my God, I miss my house.
Hello?
Kuya! Dito na lang ako, please!
Girl, bawal mag-live. Nakita ka agad ni Ate Kat.
Ah!
Kuya, buksan mo to.
Like, di ba nakakahawa? And also, his accent is so very pure, bra.
FFR. Ang arte ni Lloydie kaya nga eh. Puro kay Jaren dalawa. Ito gusto mo?
Jaren is my little Jaren.
Alam nyo, huwag nyo kaming ini-issue ni Jaren. Jaren and I swear to God, we're very close friends lang. Kaya don't make any issue about us. You know what I mean? Kasi kayo lang yung gumagawa ng kadiluluhan. Jaren and I, we're homies. For real.
And also me.
Yeah.
Because you know what?
Hala, ang asim ko daw. Hala, sorry po.
Perfect ka?
Perfect ka po.
Sino yan?
Siguro pagising yun, naka-pink dress na kagad siya.
Tama. Baka naka-blue dress ka na agad. Baka maibig ka. Sinuot nga, hindi siya naibig. Pag ikaw nagsuot, baka evicted ka agad. Paano dyan? Agang-aga mo.
Siguro pagising niya, fresh na fresh.
Tama.
Sorry, ito lang ako pagising ko eh.
Abang siya. Sino yan? Anong username yan? Padlock.
Papabila kita. Kabog ka. Uy.
Ay. Alam mo, di ba nagawa ko ng second ako sa TikTok? Suspended din sa live. Kamumura.
Deserve mo yan.
Kasi, nainis kasi ako last time nag-call out ako sa TikTok ko nun. About the issue of me, Jaren, and that fucking kiwi.
Uy, yung bunganga mo.
That kiwi, bruh, sorry. And I speak not some, a lot of bad words because of that. Hangga, I got suspended again. That's why I can't log on TikTok on my main account and also my...
Nunod kapatid mo. Ate, may pasok ka pa.
Sino yun?
Si Aiden. Ano, di pa pasok? Alam niyo kung ano yung totoong may something kung sino. Ako at si Lloyd.
Yeah. Sorry, pre. Ew, bro.
Nag-eyebags na ako.
Dude.
Saan ka ginapit lang sa exam mo? Dito ko talaga naggalit kasi alam ko kasi sa TikTok kasi dami nagsisend ng gift.
Kuya, ilalim po tayo din. Yes.
Dami nagsisend ng gift. Nagsasend ng pera sa akin. So, wait, dito na lang sa'yo. Para
Pag po dito na yan po may Quezon Avenue, always ilalim na po.
kasi nag-live ako para entertain kayo.
Then may U-turn slot po
Hindi na
dyan.
pera sa akin.
We're going there po.
Ate, ang aga pa. Can you please just shut up for a moment?
Yes, daddy kuya, go away. There po, yung U-turn slot. Here po. Yes po.
Ah, sige.
Sorry. Yeah.
Saan ka po nila?
There's about two choice po up the way. You can go there straight.
Off the way! Wala na naman.
But I think kuya mag-left ka na lang din para traffic kasi dito eh. Dun po sa mabilis na way.
I do have Zamboanga tomorrow daw. Ang Zamboanga bus, malayo.
Yeah, I think we have to go on airplane too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Because there's a map on yesterday that...
Are you from BGC ba? No, I'm just from Mandaluyong. Pero it's near BGC. I feel like it's just 10 minutes away from BGC. Yeah. It's actually I'm very near lang sa BGC, pero I'm not from BGC. I'm just from Mandaluyong. Outside
Then
Mandaluyong.
you have to ride there.
English na English. Alam mo,
Pero English siya rin driver na.
ah. Oh, di ba? Hindi naman ikaw lang yung ma-order.
I wanted because your dad...
Ah, nya. Kukumbayin kita. Kuya, hindi ka naiirita sa kanya. Baka maging pet peeve mo siya, kuya.
Pwede po ba picture tayo mamaya?
Sige po.
Kahit di tayo.
Si Lloyd taga BGC na. Actually, yeah. And you know what?
Kasi yung kambal ko halos kahit
Do you have kambal po?
Yeah.
Like, oh my god, it's so cute about it.
You know what? Every
They don't
time.
believe na idadrag ko kayo.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Kasi sabi ko na where I work. It's confidence.
Yeah.
Ano naman yung father?
Yeah.
Yes. You know what, guys? Si Lloyd, every time. If I said that every time, right? No po, diretso lang po.
No, but just straight ahead po.
Every time na we're at ABS.
Yata mo ito po pero mayroon tayong parking space sa
Diyos ko po.
I mean, sige po, diretso lang po.
English
I mean,
na
if you have
English
to go there
every
naman
day.
po, tapos if you want to have a parking lot, they have a free parking po for everyone. Then you have to ride po there.
Ako ang tunay. Napaka-arte ni Lloyd, di ka alam mo jowa niya. Yeah.
Magpapakalikan po tayo bro.
Hindi po, kumain na po ako.
Really?
Yeah, I do.
You want coffee? I know you want
I want
coffee.
coffee.
Yeah, I can buy you coffee. Go. Just straight ahead po. Then go stop to PBB house po. I'll say a word there.
Sak marami nila. Lloyd!
You have to stay here in this car. Sige po, straight ahead po po.
Sabi ko, wait lang Lloyd, pwede?
Then, kuya, you see that guy who's wearing a white shirt? You have to stop there, yeah.
Left side parking?
Yeah.
Here na. Sa aking dating bahay.
But I think you're going down right now. Or you want me to buy you coffee first
Yeah.
before you go there?
No.
What do you want? Go there first?
First. Yes po, sure po.
Yan, nakambal ko.
Oh.
Babae? Ah! I
Anak!
thought you have a brother kambal!
Sorry, I thought you were the one.
Tama ka na.
Oo nga, sama ka na.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm shy.
Sure po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Oo, paano kayo?
No, buy me coffee.
Kuya, you should wait me here po.
Okay.
And dyan lang po yung Starbucks. I can buy her coffee lang po first. What do you want me to do? Bring all your things na?
Alam ko dito.
Okay lang po, kuya.
How about you, kuya? Want coffee?
Coffee or me? Coffee or Coffee or me?
Kuya, wait for me ah. Don't look at me. Ayaw na tabi.
Hello. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning, Sanghe! Good morning!
Hindi pagod ah.
Itutour ko kayo. I miss this house. Hello, mami, na-miss ko yung bahay. Yo, this is a storage room.
Wow, you're so early.
Why?
You're the first one.
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. And here is the task room, everybody. Oh, Kuya, I miss you na! Ibalik mo na ako dito sa bahay mo. Pagod na ako sa outside world. Ah! Kuya, Kuya, akin balik na po ako sa bahay niyo. Pagod na po ako sa outside world. Please, ibalik niyo na ako. Please daw.
Where you heading?
Ha?
Where you going to stay?
Dito na. Oh! Yun lang.
No. Just go.
Diba? Big?
I don't know how. Just go there.
Oh my God, I miss my house.
Hello?
Kuya! Dito na lang ako, please!
Girl, bawal mag-live. Nakita ka agad ni Ate Kat.
Ah!
Kuya, buksan mo to.
Wala pa sila? Wala pa sila, May?
Palibasa, malapit na nga nito eh.
Malayo-layo pa ako, Ma.
Ay, hindi ka ba naka-check in sa hotel?
Hindi.
Mandaluyong pa.
Mandaluyong pa ako, May.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Bawal daw mag-live. Sorry. Sorry. Didn't know.
Sorry.
Haha.
Girl, what do you want?
I want white mocha nga. I white mocha frat. Less sweet. Mga 50% lang sweetness.
We don't have any cash.
Oh, damn. Guys, out na ako. Kakausapin ko pa si Kuya at si Madam. Gusto ko ibalikan niya ako dito sa bahay. Kasi pagod na ako sa inyo lahat. Joke.